My name is Nwankwo Chinenye. This is a pig farm where I train my animals. You can hear them at the background. In a short while, I will take you in to show you the pig farm. I started from scratch, started with few animals, but their multiplication rate is encouraging. I indulge everybody to take part in this pig farming. It's a nice one and it's really benefiting. I will take you in to show you the animals, how they're being fed, where their pigs are, where their watering cans are, in no distant time. This is a sow. It has 10 piglets. It gave birth to 11. One is still birth. The 10 running 10 survived. So here is where they are. Just cleaned their apartment, about to be given food. This one is very troublesome, doesn't stay in its pen. We go in. To my left are 2 sows. They are two months pregnant. No distant time. They will give birth. So we go in. These are 3. They're already feeding. These are 3 female ones, growers, ready to mate. They will be entering their heat by next week. That's from my calculation. They'll be entering heat by next week. They're already being fed. We continue. The next one. This is also 3 pregnant ones. They've been served. They are about a month and few weeks pregnant. 3 of them. This is their pen. You can see how they eat. This is where they are eating. They've just been fed. Others are waiting for their own turn. So we go ahead. Yes, this is the recent mothers. There are 2 mothers here. I have 16 piglets by these 2 mothers. They are cohabiting joyfully. They share their food. They jointly feed their piglets. The piglets have just been fed. They suck their mommy's breasts and are lying down, sleeping while their mother, the sow, is feeding on its own. Then these are the winners, which I weaned. They are now 2 months old. There are many of them here. They are 2 months old. You can see them devouring their food. They've just been fed. They've just been fed. I feed them with conventional foods, fruits, cassava peelings, and all what it. Vegetable remains and PKC, palm kernel cake, which I buy. That's what I use in feeding them. This one just went to drink water. That's where their water is kept. After eating, they will run and go and take water, come back to the food, while others continue eating. The stubborn lady is still outside. This is where I mix their food. This is palm kernel cake mixed with groundnuts, cassava peelings. Their food. This is where we mix their food before we distribute it to them. Stubborn lady, go to your room. Go to your room. Still feeding, enjoying their food, scouting out for the groundnuts. Groundnuts are their favorite. These are 3 tanks where I store the water. I pump water from the borehole, store it in these tanks. From here, I draw water and feed them. They drink lots and lots of water. These are other tanks which I kept there. So this is what I do. At times, I can release them to come into this farm, this vegetation, and they move about and eat vegetable, eat green leaves, and go into their pen. Thank you very much. Nwankwo Chinenye is my name.